Hey, Gunnison, what are we doing?
Hiking instead of taking a bus.
Why are we hiking instead of taking a bus?
The waterway is too high for the bus to cross.
The water came up too high in the road and the bus can't come across? Madison, how are you?
Pants.